In this video, I'm going to tell you why the Italian builder Absolute Yachts has built such an exceptionally high reputation since its founding only 20 short years ago. The first reason Absolute Yachts has built such a great reputation is build quality. Absolute has created a unique proprietary construction method called ISS. I won't get into all the details, but in a nutshell, what it means is that the entire boat is built while the hull is still in the mold. And that allows for more strength, more bonding, a complete monocoque construction, more strength, more rigidity, and lighter weight. The second reason why Absolute Yachts have developed such a fantastic reputation is their unique blend of Italian luxury, refinement, and style, but along with real-world usability, livability, ease of maintenance, and ease of cruising, whether by owner-operators or with a professional crew. We all know that Italian brands sometimes emphasize luxury and style at the expense of usability and practicality. Absolute does not take that approach. They maintain that Italian aesthetic, but also integrate usability, access, easy to make things work, operate, and handle the boat in the real world. And finally, Absolute builds less than 100 boats per year across their entire product line. That means that you're not going to see an Absolute yacht on every dock in your neighborhood. It's really a unique yacht. The quality, the style, the refinement, and the low production volume makes for a great ownership experience, as well as a unique vessel that you won't see at every dock in your marina. My name's Christopher with One Water Yacht Group Miami. We're proud to represent Absolute Yachts in Florida, and I serve as a yachting advocate for Absolute Yachts. I serve my customer in a way that takes them from searching for the best boat for them, identifying delivery, but when we deliver the boat, that's just the beginning of the process as a yachting advocate. I stay engaged with my customers and deal with all the things that they need, all the requirements that they have, all the issues that come up after they take delivery of their new Absolute yacht. I'm proud as a yachting advocate to deliver that level of service for my clients. If you'd like a yachting advocate to help you with a new Absolute yacht, give me a call, Christopher, 561-285-1212. Thank you.